Hey everyone, are you also on the hunt for that perfect Nokia smartphone that delivers an amazing camera, battery, and performance without blowing your budget? If yes, then you've come to the absolute right place. Because today, we're talking about a phone that's not just launching, it's about to cause a major storm in the budget segment. This incredible smartphone from Nokia is set to pack a 200 megapixel DSLR level camera and the most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. You heard that right, people. We're talking about the Nokia Cosmos 5G, and I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll be asking one question: if this phone is here, what else could I possibly need? So, without wasting another second, let's dive right in. Features of the Nokia Cosmos 5G. Display. This fantastic smartphone comes with a massive 6.89-inch QHD Plus Super AMOLED display. That means colors will be vibrant, details will be razor sharp, and your viewing experience will be absolutely cinematic. Plus, with the power of a 120Hz refresh rate, whether you're scrolling or gaming, everything will feel buttery smooth. And forget the fear of drops, because a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass 6 is there to protect your phone from life's little accidents. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, this phone's biggest strength. It features a triple camera setup, with a primary sensor of a whopping 200 megapixels. Mind-blowing, right? This camera is so powerful that every single one of your photos will look professional. Along with that, you get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8 megapixel macro lens. So, whether it's a wide-angle landscape or an extreme close-up, every photo will be perfect. And for all you selfie lovers, get ready. Because on the front, there's a 50 megapixel selfie camera. Say goodbye to compromises in your selfies. Performance. When it comes to performance, this phone is an absolute beast. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, the same chip you find in today's expensive flagship phones. That means, whether it's heavy gaming or intense multitasking, this phone will not stutter or lag. Paired with a massive 12 GB of RAM, you can run multiple apps at once, and the phone won't even break a sweat. And the best part, it runs on Android 16 straight out of the box, the newest and most advanced version. Battery and charging. If battery life is your biggest worry, worry no more. Because this phone packs a huge 7600mAh battery. Just charge it once, and you can use it all day long without a care in the world. Watch videos, play games, listen to music, this battery won't let you down. And when it is time to charge, 90-watt fast charging will get your phone back in action in just minutes. It also comes with a modern Type-C port. Price and launch date. Now, for the most important question: what will this incredible phone cost? Well, get ready for this. The expected price in the USA could be around just $750. Yes, you heard that right. That many features for such an unbelievable price, now that's what we call a killer deal. The official launch date hasn't been announced yet, but we're hoping this phone hits the market very soon.